Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Peshawar Public School and College has started online classes. Today is your maths class. This is mathematics textbook for class 6. Now we start unit number 1, sets. What you will learn at the end of this unit, the student will be able to define set, finite, infinite, empty, singleton, equal, equivalent, subset, superset, proper, improper subset with the help of example. It is also known as SLO, student learning outcome. Definition of set. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. These objects are called member or element of the sets. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters of English alphabets, for example A, B, C up to Z. And element of the set are denoted by small letters of English alphabets, for example A, B, C up to Z. The concept of set was introduced by a German mathematician, Georg Cantor, in the 19th century. Example of sets: set of first 3 natural number, set of first 4 English alphabets, the set of whole number less than 10, the set of days of a week, the set of cricket player of your school, the set of boys of class 6 of your school. All these are the example of set. सेट में हमारे पास 3 चीज़ें बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. नंबर 1, वेल डिफाइन, डिस्टिंक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट. मतलब है कि ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि वो हमारे पास वेल डिफाइन हो, डिस्टेंट हो, तो उसको हम सेट कहते हैं. मतलब ये है कि चंद चीज़ों के इज्तिमा को हम सेट कहते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल वाटर सेट, टी सेट, डिनर सेट, ग्रुप्स, rivers, all these are the example of sets. Method of sets. Set can be described in 3 ways: tabular method, descriptive method, set builder notation method. Tabular method: in this method we list all the elements of the set within braces, that is the symbol of braces. It is also called curly bracket. Example number 1, n is equal to 1, 2, 3. It means the set of first 3 natural number. A is equal to A, B, C, D, the set of first 4 English alphabets. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, the set of first 10 whole number. Example number 2, count the number of element in the following set. मतलब ये कि जो सेट आप लोगों के साथ यहाँ पर गिवन है, आपको सिर्फ उसके एलिमेंट्स लिखने हैं. x is equal to 8, the set x has 1 element. p is equal to 7, 9, 11, the set p has 3 elements. S is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10, the set S has 10 elements. Q is equal to W, X, Y, Z, the set Q has 4 elements. Notation for membership of a set. Consider P, इसमें जो हमारे पास एलिमेंट X, Y, Z, मतलब कि X is a member of P, Y is a member of P, Z is a member of P. Mathematically we can write x belong to P, y belong to P, z belong to P, या z contain P. If M does not member of set P, we can write M does not member of set P. Now we start exercise 1.1, page number 5. State given reason whether the following objects form a set or not. Number 1, all problems of this book which are difficult to solve. It is not well defined, so it is not a set because some problem can be difficult for one student but easy for other. All the members of this book which are difficult to solve for Amjad. It is well defined, so it is a set because some difficult problem can be identified for Amjad. Number 3, all the objects heavier than 26 kg. It is well defined, so it is a set. मतलब कि हम सपोज करते हैं कि हमारे पास ये 26 kg शुगर है, हम इसके साथ 35 भी ले सकते हैं, 50 भी ले सकते हैं, 60 भी ले सकते हैं. मतलब कि it is well defined, so it is a set. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7 आप लोगों के लिए होमवर्क है. Question number 2, F set A which consists of elements 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. State which of the following statements are correct and which are wrong. Five is a member of set A. 5 इसमें चेक करें ऊपर सेट में, अगर 5 हमारे पास इस सेट में मौजूद है तो हमारे पास ये हमारे पास ट्रू है. अगर हमारे पास 5 इसमें नहीं है तो हमारे पास द गिवन स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. मतलब कि 5 इज नॉट ए मेंबर ऑफ सेट ए, इसलिए कि 5 ऊपर हमारे पास सेट ए में नहीं है. 12 इज ए मेंबर ऑफ सेट ए, 12 इज ए मेंबर ऑफ सेट ए, द गिवन स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. 14 इज ए मेंबर ऑफ सेट ए, 14 ऊपर देखिए हमारे पास 14 इज ए मेंबर ऑफ सेट ए, द गिवन स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आप लोगों के लिए होमवर्क है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, राइट द फॉलोइंग टेबुलर फॉर्म ऑफ द सेट. ये हमारे पास डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म है, इसको टेबुलर फॉर्म में आप लोगों को लिखना है. द सेट ऑफ डेज इन अ वीक. सबसे पहले इसको नाम देना है. ए इज इक्वल टू मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे. The set of first 10 नेचर नंबर. नेचर नंबर को हम n से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं which is started from 1, 2, 3 up to 10. The set of whole number in English. Alphabets B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7 आप लोगों के लिए होमवर्क है. That's all.